Here's what I saved from the tip. It seems to be raining like the dickens, but adds a nice homely touch to the night. I like these connectors, seems very easy to stick wires into them. Okay, let's take this cover off and see what's inside. That comes off quite easily. There's the specially made Cossor valves. Nice leaky electrolytics. Even miniature valves. Fuse-o-matic panel. And look at that, a spectacular bandwidth up to 100 kilocycles. Okay, here's the fun part, actually plugging it in and seeing if it works. God knows how long it's been sitting in storage in a dusty shed for years. Well, here goes. We'll turn on the Steve Cossor Crow. We'll wind up the variac slowly in case it's going to pop. Oh, look at that, current's going up. Oh, that could just mean it's taking power. The rectifier is working. Little sign lights up. There's no smoke coming out yet. Let's see. God, there's a spot. Oh, incredible. This hasn't been probably turned on for 40 years. Let me get that to sweep. Well, there is a spot-o-matic. I think there's something wrong, stuck on the side there. Time-based thing. Oops, something's happening. Maybe if I just leave it on for a few hours it might start working. Oh look, something's happening. Might start. I wouldn't be surprised if it starts working in a couple of hours to dry out all the passages or something. We'll see what it does in a little while. Nice blue dot anyhow. Sounds like something electrical's about to pop. I don't see any smoke yet. Oops, sound of something. Something sizzling. I think I better turn it off. We've lost our trace as well. Well, I think it might work with a bit of time spent on it. Whether I do that or not, I don't know. Maybe we'll just give it the drop test from our 400-foot VK ASC drop tower.